Hey folks, this is Adam, and today we're looking at the Keurig. This is the K250 in black. It comes in a variety of colors, kind of a white, a turquoise, a blue, a gray, and just a bunch of great colors. So pick the one that's for you and your kitchen, your lifestyle. You can see it has a 40-ounce reservoir, and we've been using this one here for over a year now, and it's absolutely a favorite among the staff. Now, Keurig is a great option for making single coffee cups. You just put your cup right in there and you're good to go. It has a black and white touchscreen, again, over 40 ounces, and it's about 14 inches tall. So if you need to tuck it back into a secure location like such, it's gonna work just great. This is a fantastic, fantastic device. Very easy for single-use coffee, and absolutely just a beautiful design. So if you're thinking of picking one up, get one with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. It also filters your water for you. You can see the filter in the water bin, so you don't even have to worry about filtering your water beforehand. So absolutely beautiful design, easy to use, and a great black and white touchscreen to make your coffee, hot chocolate, or whatever drink you want. It'll even disperse just hot water. So order today, you absolutely will not be disappointed. Again, this is the Keurig, it's the K250, and you're going to love it.